What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Kelly Builds. And in today's video, we're going to be tackling the other sub rail. So I know my last, I don't even know how many videos besides the 2002 video were sub rail, but now that I know how to do it, Trav is in the shop with me today because it's a Saturday. I'm hoping that this is less of a process because I did all the learning on the first one. So this one theoretically should be a bit easier. So I guess we'll just start to blast it and then go through all the steps as last time. I apologize that this isn't super exciting, but Travis is with me today. So that's exciting, right? And fun, and yeah, I don't know. I also wanted to say thank you guys so much for your support. I was just saying to Travis, I feel like this is the safest, most supportive place I post on the internet. I don't know, I feel like if you're watching my videos, you support what we're doing here, and I just really, really appreciate all of you guys so much. These personal YouTube videos, not the shorts and everything like that, or Instagram. I feel like if you're watching it, you support it, and I seriously appreciate it so much. So enough blabbing about all that, and we'll just get right into it. So you can't tell from the time lapse, but this one is of course different than the other one. So when I was trying to drill out these spot welds on the other one, it was a pain in the butt. Now I've gone through and went all the way through, and I'm not supposed to go all the way through. I can just weld up the hole, which is fine, but it's much, I don't want to say easier because I am going through it, but hopefully this is a sign that it will be a little easier than the whole process of the first one. Well, I was doing my little drilling over here, and we got a package in the mail. And look at this! Thank you to Dennis.
Dennis from the Others
Car Club. Sent us these pieces, and Travis just held them up to our car. Perfect. If you want to Vanna White it, show you guys. I'm stuck in a chassis right now, but look at that. Beautiful. Maybe I'll...
Exactly what we need.
I guess I'm just gonna get out of this Galaxy chassis and bring you guys over quick. So, yeah. Hideous. Boop. Look at that.
You know?
Awesome.
Just what the doctor ordered. Those two.
Awesome.
Thanks again, Dennis.
Thank you, Dennis. I don't know if you watch my channel, but thank you. We appreciate it.
And it actually goes here on the sub rail. So that's cool. Look, it's missing. Ta-da!
Da-da-da-da. You're the man, Dennis. Okay. Oh. Almost forgot for a second there. Glasses. Should go through more. I'm just nervous to go through, or if I could start trying to bang it out, you know?
I don't think so.
These are all ready to go, pretty much. Close. Still.
Looks like you're here. It should be here.
Whoop. Whoop.
try to break them all the way, but then we can work on the end.
You mean with these?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did it?
Moderately still attached. Where'd you go? There's this one, this one, this one. I don't know if you think this has to be drilled anymore. I should have ears on. It's such a loud camera. Holy. You want me to cut that part out?
Huh?
You want me to cut that part out?
No.
It's so scary watching you do that. Hit phone. Freak. Flat part goes on the piece.
Yeah.
So this should make it pop off.
Shit. Unless we get a hammer more.
Well, yeah.
Drill more, we gotta drill more. It's the end of the story.
I don't know.
Yeah. What? Move.
Whoa!
See if I got it all. Oops. There it is.
So we have the pieces apart. Now it's time to sandblast them. This is gonna, is that somebody?
Me.
It's gonna take a little bit because as you guys know, getting to the corners was kind of a pain in the butt on the first one, but ready to go in. Hopefully we have like an hour until the kids are supposed to get up. So hopefully this can all get wrapped up and we'll be able to move on to the next step. First time for everything, right? Remembering to put the air on the blasting cabinet before I actually do it, right? There's progress made every day, people.
Did you forget last time?
What?
You forget last time?
Yep. I was like ready to go. Then I'm like, why is this not working? There's no air. I just need to push with it hard, right?
Yep.
While I wait for my compressor to refill, I figured I would just also mention I do have a code with Eastwood, Kelly10. I have it right here. So if you use my code Kelly10 on their website, you'll get 10% off your order. So I think that's super awesome, and shout out to Eastwood, and just as a nice benefit to you guys, you know, an extra 10% off of your order. You can't really go wrong with that. Sandblasting is going well. It does take some time because they're such large pieces, and our compressor does have to, like, you know, re-compress for us over here. So I'll just show you guys what we're working with now. Hope that's not too smoky. Well, it is a little smoky still, so I'm not gonna open it. But this piece is like maybe halfway done. I don't think I'm gonna record, like, I feel like I'm breathing that in, now I'm freaking out. I'm not gonna record sandblasting the whole thing because it's kind of like boring and repetitive. Then I was thinking, do I just sum up the video here? Do I do it whatever. So essentially I'm gonna finish this video here, and this will be part 1 of the subrail, second subrail. So thank you guys for watching, just a quick little video, and I will see you guys in the next one.